Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be, well, maybe a how-to repair video, maybe not. Depends on what's wrong with it, what I've got on hand, and what's available for it. This is a Gallagher MR2500, the 25 stored joule unit. It's a good unit they made from about, here in the States anyways, they made it from about 2002, 2005, somewhere in that range, all the way to about 2017, 2016, somewhere in that range maybe. They don't make it anymore. They've discontinued it. The M2800i was originally what took the place of it. Now that one's been discontinued, and now it's changed into the MB2000i or MBS2000i. It's a plug-in / battery unit. You know, both those I-series models, the one that took the place, were really good units. This is just an old style unit that Gallagher used to make. This particular one's a 2000. Ooh, I didn't notice that. The case is all busted on there. I need a new back case. But this one's a 2007 model. Look at the back, that long number right there. The first two numbers, the year, and the next two are the week. So it's 26th week. And 2007 is when this was built. But I can hear some crap running around, which is probably from this case, this plastic. So I don't know. It was packed pretty good. So I don't. Maybe it did get damaged in shipping. I don't know. But these are well, they are UL listed units. And there's typically these side screws, the two that are on the middle and the side, are typically tamper-proof, and the rest are Phillips. This screw's missing. It's broken. This screw is the tamper-proof one, and the rest of them are Phillips. So someone at some point in time has been in this thing. So maybe it's been worked on before. I don't know. If it was, it wasn't done by us, because they don't have our any of our stickers on it. So we're gonna pull the screws out of it. I was gonna plug it in, but I heard a crap rolling around the inside. I said, well, maybe I better not plug that in yet. I gotta figure out what tamper-proof is stuck in there. Maybe the factory one, and maybe not. Maybe not. Don't think it's the factory one. I think it's the next size bigger. I gotta find the right bit for it that'll reach it, because these are a particular one. Yeah, this doesn't even have the factory tamper-proof in it. Somebody else has stuck a different screw in the thing. Pull this back cover off. Come on. There we go. This piece of the plastic. Well, I see a little bit of work's been done to the circuit board's original. It's got a white sticker on there. It's the serial number on it. It's a 07 serial number, so the board's original to the unit. That capacitor's not the original one. This transformer is not original. It's got a 2016 date on it, but you can see the transformer looks like crap. It's gotten pretty hot. All these stress cracks in it and everything. See the shells starting to break down. See, shells all cracked and coming apart. But see, it's got the there it is. 25th day, May 25th, 2016 is when this transformer was made. Now let's check the capacitors real quick, and then I don't think I've got the correct transformer in stock. I got one that will work for testing wise. If it needs one it's gonna need one. Come on. That's good. That's good. That's good. Capacitors are good. Let's pull this board out. Some of the screws. Look at that back case real quick. Well, it needs a new back case, but yeah, look at that. That screw mount's broken. That one's broken. It's supposed to look like this, a little hole, but it's like this one's a big hole. That's got a big hole, so the back case is junk. But take this circuit board out, put it into a new back cover. Well, it's pieces of plastic. I'll take that out for a second. Oh, let's see. Let me looks okay so far. Let me take a walk over to where I keep my transformers at for these bigger Gallagher units and see if I've got one that will work for this electronically. I got one for a 220 volt MR5000, which they make a 110 volt MR5000, which shares some similarity to the 2500, just has double of everything electronically, basically. So let's put this board back in this little hole here. And this transformer plugs in a certain way. Capacitors go in a certain spot. Let's plug this back up here. Alright, let's plug it in. Now what should happen, I think it has two green lights. This light should flash, and I think this top light's solid, but they should both be green. Hopefully it works. Well, so far so good. Put a tester across there and see what we read. But what I might do, since it's got some age to it, it needs a transformer for sure. I mean, this transformer needs to be working fine. It's putting out 10,000 volts out of the thing. So maybe we'll keep that one in there. We'll see what happens. Well, what I'll do is I'll probably get a load of some sort, and we'll put it across there and let it run for for a day or two with a load on it, make sure that we're not missing something. A good shock. So it needs a new back cover, new transformer. I think that's it for now, but I'm going to let the thing run. I'll go get a load, hook it across here, and then we're going to set it off to the side and let it click away and see what happens. Put a stress test. I'm going to put a pretty good load on it. Probably going to put like a 100 ohm load on the thing, let it run for a little while. We'll really put the hammer to it. There's our information right there. If you want to send us something for us to look at, welcome to send things in. We work on all brands and ages of these electric fence boxes. So, well, pretty straightforward little repair so far. So far, so good. But I guess if something else happens to it, we'll make another video of it and see what happens. Well, that's it for this little video. Until next time, you guys have a good day and be safe.